So, firstly, you guys are gonna introduce yourself. Tell us your name and where you're coming from.
Okay, so my name is Black Spartan, and I'm coming from Somanya.
Somewhere?
Somanya.
Somanya.
Yes.
Okay, cool. And?
Okay, my name is Shoddy. I'm from the Upper East region.
Yeah. Upper East. I mean, okay, now I got a pick. And unfortunately, you're wearing Chelsea, and I'm a Man United fan. So let me just go this way.
I'm not a Chelsea fan.
Yo.
That doesn't matter.
I'm not a Chelsea fan.
Okay.
So, you guys know the rules of the game, okay? You're going to get a beat. DJ Baroski is going to drop a beat for you.
Yeah.
You got a freestyle, first round. Second round, you're coming for each other. Let's see what you got. Third round, I'm going to pick a random word, okay? And you need to use that word as many times as possible in your freestyle. And that's how it's going to go. So, Baroski, you ready? Tell me more.
I mean, you said it all, but you just have to be creative with the bars. No swear words, please, because we're live on TV. So, yeah. I mean, the names again so that I can really get into it.
Black Spartan.
Black Spartan.
Somanya.
I'm Shoddy.
Shoddy and Black Spartan. Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Black Spartan, you go first.
All right. Somanya, are you there? Alright. Straight from the bottom, I came from the gutter. Now I'm on top of the water, I'm a chopper. Somanya boy in the. Yeah, straight from the bottom, I came from the gutter. Now I'm on top of the water, I'm a chopper. Somanya king in the PD, my brother. That's it, homie, if I did what you buy. Euro to naira to dollar. If I need to call you, $1 Reverend Father, Charlie, pray for your daughter. If I lay my hands on her, she go suffer. Somanya king, I got laugh from a city. One on the lava, I got from Lamborghini. So many girls in the hood wanna see me. So many guys in the hood wanna be me. Global heritage, taking my whole city by surprise. Made it my whole city, you know them my level. Charlie, don't be silly. Mission impossible, I made it easy. Tamate, mate, I take a cat. Grasso, I take a joint, I can credit. Somanya king in the hood, I retarded. Papa, Siata, Wapadi, daddy. While you are watching, go away, paddy. But you go to my hair out, daddy. Papa, Palo, Blacka, Goji, Kokobi, I want to judge daddy. Straight.
Wow.
It's Spartan on it.
Wow. Wow.
Shoddy, do me proud, man. Make me proud, bro. Okay, let's go.
It's Shoddy on the mics.
Hey.
Yeah. The nigga trying to really want to impress me. Looking at my rhyme, like I tell you that I'm the best kid. Everybody wanna come around and see the rapper. You rapper, talk, cool down me rapper, yeah. Everybody wanna talk about a Shoddy boy, then I tell you that I'm the best me. Let me come impress me, you test me, and I give you all the vaccine, the taxi. Body bazang me rapper, man, I'm at the mum, I'm the zang it, baka body babangi kan the mum. Bila boro zang the rapper, tebaka babangi, bila mother rapper panga, bila mother rapper yala, mother boro zang it, tebaka babangi, bila mother rapper yala. Shoddy on the
I feel like the both of them were speaking tongues, you know, because it was so fast. I didn't understand.
Yeah, I'm from the Upper East, so sometimes I do it in my language.
Okay.
I see, and you were doing it in your language as well, yeah?
Yes,
This is interesting. Okay, cool. How you feeling, Baroski?
I reserve my comments.
Yo.
Okay, round two, right?
Let's get it. Let's go right now. Let's go.
Shoddy on the mics. I think you feeling it. Yeah. 1, 2, Did what about Boski, Libaboski, Dabadoski. I rap a killy beats, then I tell it I'm the Goski. Rap it on the mic, then I tell it I'm the mic. Turn the rap a killy beat, I tell it on the mic, yeah. Turn every rapper, then I try to beat the Doski. Then I come around, then I meet Vidorowski. Then I tell the beats, then I tell it I'm the Boski. Rap a killy beat, then I tell it I'm the boss. Make you know the vex me, I tell it I'm the desky. If you try me, I will give you the vaccine. Me I no be corona, so you make a corona. Then I tell the boys I'm the king. Best me, try me, I give you all the lexi. But I come tell my rapper, come send the text me. But I samba rapper, malaga badaga samba kappa banda sanga bila man the rapper man let it. But everybody wanna contest, but tell them I'm the best from Upper East. Shoddy boy.
Okay.
Yeah, you know.
It was the same. It was the same as the first one, but
No, it wasn't.
all right, that's your camera. That's your camera.
Yeah. The Black Spartan again, yeah. Listen. Are you ready? I started flat broke, see me running Mango City. I ain't stopping till I pull up in the Lamborghini. Small boy, say police be me, no ko be me. Chrono bichi me, ko temi kepi no ko Jimmy. Charlie, where I come from, we no get billionaires. No ko nyewe pay me, so I'm trying to volunteer. I sacrifice my life, I'm trying to take my people there. The last man standing, Isa Mokobe. Big ups to Lonesome. Podokake. Listen, we the leaders of the future. Are you all ready? Make we the hustle for the paper, build the muscle for the later, leave the bottles for the hater, drinking poverty. Woo! It's kind of crazy where I'm coming from. We don't get nothing, but I always feel like running home. Cause there is nothing in the world like coming home. Coming in a pretty girl in so many dumb. Yeah.
Hey! That's my guy, Mr. Spartan.
You know.
All right. Now you guys are making it hard for me. I need to. Are you all right there, darling?
Yeah, I'm cool. That last line was. That last line, man.
Okay, cool. So,
yeah, man.
let me think of the word. The word I want you guys to both rap with, and the person who uses it the most. Okay? This is where you guys show your real freestyle skills. I'm gonna make it nice and simple, and the word is sneakers. Simple, easy. Sneakers.
I love sneakers.
There you go. You both. So, who's starting, Boroski?
Black Spartan.
All right.
Let's go.
That's your camera.
Freestyle. All right. Yeah. White Air Force Ones. That's my sneaker. This look like Vans. That's his sneaker. Oh, what is this? Is it lifestyle or what? I don't know what it is. That's his Chelsea shirt. I see the cameraman's many sneakers. White, black, brown, green. Why are you wearing green for? My brother, why are you wearing green for? That's a funny sneaker. Right.
Okay, I get it.
Interesting.
That was creative.
Yeah, that was creative.
Interesting.
I get it. I get it.
You ready?
All right.
Yeah. Shoddy.
Shoddy, show them.
Shoddy on the mic. Yeah. Girls go to the beach. All they wear is sneakers. Anything I see them bitches, then I tell them make you inner. Put it down your inner. Make I tell you boys go wearing sneakers. Make I tell you something that you never see before. Call me, I'm Bina. People wanna come around and run with your sneaker. If you wanna go to more, Charlie, make you use some sneakers. Cause the secrets with the take ball. Every boy in the town want you call. Say if you talk, make you wear sneakers. Cause if you fall, we don't feel take you out. Corona come, vexing me. Then I tell them the best in me. Wear your sneakers, take it to everywhere you go with it.
Okay.
I mean, when it comes to freestyles, these guys are two of the best. If it comes to using her word, right? They've done well.
I think you guys are amazing.
Yeah, they've done well.
Boroski, please let us know who is taking it home today.
Shoddy, Black Spartan.
Yeah.
All right, I think you guys are both like very, very good. I mean, but for today, I think I'm going to give to Black Spartan.
Whoa!
Yeah, I picked Black Spartan, right? Didn't I pick Black Spartan?
Whoa.
Anyways.
Yeah. Thank you. And your last words, please. Your last words to your fans.
Social media handles,
Yeah,
like everything.
Okay, so the name is Shoddy. On Facebook is Consabre Shoddy. On Instagram is Shoddy_GH_.
Can you take it again so that they hear well?
Okay, the name is Consabre Gordon or Consabre Shoddy on Facebook. Then on Instagram is Shoddy_GH.
Okay.
Yes, and
on Twitter?
On Twitter is Shoddy_1.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much. But this is our winner for today. Let us know your last words, how you're feeling.
I'm very happy, but I think there is more to be done. Yes. Then we are going to keep it up.
Come on, there is. But we love it. Your social media handle so they can follow you.
Straight. Everywhere is at one Black Spartan. There's only one Black Spartan, so at one Black Spartan.
I love
everywhere.
that.
Thank you.
And right now, you're going to perform one of your own original songs, yeah? We're ready for that. All right, guys, don't go anywhere.
Champagne.
Black Spartan.
It's sensational with Dex.
Straight. Yeah. Hey. I want fair baby. Hey. We ain't Shiran, I say a baby. We would in a chia. Won't call my me. Hey. A baby.
What's up for the margin? What's up for the margin? What's up for the margin? What's up for the margin?
Vampire. Okay.
Ordinary, no. What's up for the margin? What's up for the margin?
Vampire.
What's up for the margin? What's up for the margin? Ordinary, no.
This is a said, what, this is Bobby. If you be poor, don't call me. Now come me driving with us, and so many call bodies one, I'm stopping, I'm a packet, body not so call. Oh my god, what the traffic? My oh my, baby, I'm a coach, yes, yeah, no parking, now so my mind. I do need a flight mode, I know they see nothing. But the guy, oh, I say you've been a tsunami. Crowbody bar, now Kono, it's all be friend of mommy. Hey, Medina Chiama police, I bet my license. Hey. Jimmy, yes, I see for no to me car keys. Boy, Matani such a young, me car not spark it. Boom, boom, the 2 year. Yeah, we are me car, Banty.
What's up for the margin? What's up for the
Vampire.
What's up for the margin?
Okay.
Baroski straight.